What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Sea creature today, humpback whale. We did the blue whale, we did a killer whale, we've done dolphins, so we got to do humpback. Very, very popular sea creature. So I'm on a landscape page. Use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. Very similar to the blue whale drawing, similar sort of body position, but he's like, humpback looks like rougher or something. It's got a couple of extra bumps and stuff on him. So let's start with his eye. We're just going to go in here. So the body will like swoop down, right? So the eye is just in here. It's kind of in the middle of his mouth, like just above the middle of the mouth. So we just go up and over for the top eyelid, and then it comes down. Very human eyes, whales. Surprisingly, you know, we got the color part of the eye in there. And we just put a dot in the middle. Like so. And then we can give him eyelid lines. So we can just like go around this a couple of times. And he's got like an eye socket that goes off that way. Bumpy. Right, so this area, this part of his eye socket is like, it's where the mouth dips down, right? So the mouth will like dip down underneath this and it'll go like all the way back nearly to the back of his head and then up to the top of the snout. So if we did this kind of S sort of shape, right? So it'll go down that way. So it's like a sort of skinny S, and this keeps going all the way sort of back that way. And this is like the mouth, right? So the top part goes up here, and this will go like all the way to the front of his nose even, you know. It's like his head is mostly just mouth. So it goes pretty long. And it's kind of like bumpy. You know, he's got lots of barnacles and bumps and stuff on him compared to the blue whale. So we'll go down the belly just this way. And again, he's got another sort of bumping thing sticking out here. Like sticks out from his mouth. And it has sort of all sorts of like bumps and stuff on it too. And then his belly goes there. And there's lots of details and stuff on this, but we get the main shapes in first. So he's got a fin that comes out here, so we get like the shoulder area in there, and then this comes along, it goes this way, and then he starts to get real bumpy. So he's got like wavy sort of bumpy lines here and at the back as well. I don't think the blue whale had, I think the blue whale is kind of more smooth maybe at the back. So this goes up and sort of meets the shoulder back in there. There's like some sort of edge line. So he's got like a white color on the edge here, so it's like white and that's blue, and his belly's white. Well, it's not blue, it's kind of grey really. The blue whale is more blue color. So the other fin just comes off here, and again kind of bumpy at the top and at the back. Right, so we can keep the belly going now. So it goes all the way up to the tail, big curving sort of tail line up here. And then the other side of the tail comes down this way. And we meet one of his fins sticking up. It's kind of flat, you know, it kind of goes long and flat. a bit of like skin around it. And then this goes all the way up to the top of the head then again. I think he has another bump. He has a bump up here as well, like just on the top here, kind of bumps up and down. And then as we go up here, we start to get lots of bumps and barnacles and all sorts of raised things on his skin. Again, like the blue whale, just like real much bumpier. So we'll put the tail in, so it just goes up that way. And the other side comes out here. Kind of lower down than that one, so it kind of goes that way, you know. So we'll go, and again, real bumpy on the bottom. And it started raining, you can probably hear that. Then we got the other side. Right, so that's like all our main shapes. So we gotta add details now. So lots of like bumps and sort of skin lines, especially on the belly. So he's got lots of these sort of barnacle things sort of raised up here. Kind of on his lip as well. Just circles is probably the easiest way to do it, I would say. Okay, so then we have a color difference. So we've got the gray sort of speckledy sort of part. It's kind of random the way it goes down. And it kind of comes out here. It goes all the way back. And we might see a little bit up here too. So it's like white all in here. So then all these have so these belly lines, you know, that whales have. So like, I'll just mark them out sort of here, and then I'll make them longer. So starting like, so they all come down this way, curving. Right, and then these will extend just right underneath the belly, and you can do it whatever way you want. So we'll just go. Some of them might disappear there, and then we get another one. So loads of these lines now like that. And then there might be some, just say like one for like his top lip and stuff here. Like some underneath here, just following this shape. And then just some lines, so we'll just get like some lines just for the brow kind of thing, and it kind of goes back for his spine kind of the whole way. Curves, follows that. Do, do, do. And sometimes they have cuts and scars on them, you know, from fights they've had. What are they fighting down there? That's the mystery. And of course, a good one, like always to do, I find with the undersea creatures is like, you know, some like bubbles just going up. Just a little touch makes everything look a bit more underwater feeling. Just makes it look like he's not like just on a page. Gives it a bit of a background. But there you go. That is how to draw a humpback whale. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.